brush by BH Cosmetics, and all my brushes are from BH Cosmetics. So yeah, as you can see, I have a whole variety of brushes back here, as well as my mirror, so I can see what I'm doing. And yeah, here I am showing you guys some Juvia's Place palettes that I already own that are so bright, colorful, and also very pigmented. They are perfect for any skin tone and shade. But the main palette that I'm going to be using is the Zulu by Juvia's Place. This palette is so colorful and it has so many bright colors and bright shimmer colors. So this is the palette that we're going to be focusing on in this video. So now let's get into the makeup look. Like I said, I'm going to be taking this flat angle brush and I'm going to be taking my setting powder from NYX. This is the Professional Makeup Can't Stop Won't Stop setting powder in the shade Banana. So I'm going to be using some of this. And what I do with this powder before I put on any base is I like to set my eyes, because for me, I have very oily skin. So when I put my setting powder before I put concealer on and the eyeshadow, it just makes my base completely different and better. So I'm going to be setting my eyelids with this. Okay, so now that we have set our eyes, we are going to use our base. So the base that I'm going to be using is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Tan Deep Honey. This is the color. This is what it looks like. I like Tarte and their concealers. So now that my whole eye is based and ready, we're gonna get started with the eyeshadow. Like a little like orange pinkish fade before the purple actually starts. So we're gonna do that. I think I'm going to take this angled fluffy blending brush from BH Cosmetics, and I'm going to take this yellow shade in the Zulu Juvia's Place palette, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to use it as a transition shade. Yeah. So now we're going to be using the same brush, and we're going to be taking this orange shade. Now we're just going to blend in this yellow with this orange. Still trying to imitate the wing look. We're going to go in with this pink color. As you can see, this is like more of a fuchsia color. Yeah, it's so pretty. Continue with this fluffy angle brush, and now we're going to get into the purple. This purple right here. Back with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and Tan Deep Honey. Yes. And I'm going to apply a little bit on the back of my hands, so that I don't have to go back and forth into the tube. I'm going in with this BH Cosmetics, and it don't say the number, but I'm going in with this BH Cosmetics brush, and this is just a flat, sturdy brush. And it's like the little brush and stuff. So I go above this crease, which is this natural crease that I have here. And with this BH Cosmetics brush, I don't really know how to explain this brush, but if you look at it, you can kind of see what's happening here. It's in the Magic Mini by Juvia's Place. So this corner in here, I'm finna use, I think is Ivy. I think that's this word. Not quite sure. Don't ask me, because I don't know. And we're gonna use Ivy. And we just gonna go on the ends like that. I'm really liking it a lot. So good job, Janiya. Pat on my back, because I wasn't sure at first. It just looked right. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with the purple color from the Zulu palette, and we're going to use the same brush, and we're gonna blend this dark color with this purple. Blending this purple with the pink. So yeah. Get it. Oh, whoa, whoa. I got problems, y'all. I'm a little crazy. So. Now we're gonna go on with the orange, and I'm gonna use a smaller coat, a smaller brush. I'm gonna use this flat, fluffy brush. It's a little bit more controlled, so that's what I'm using. I'm gonna go back in with the Zulu palette, and I'm gonna go back in with the orange that I use for the top half of my eyelids. Go back in the last color for right now. We're gonna go back in with this yellow from the Zulu palette and just get the inner corner. So now that the shadow is almost done, I'm gonna go in with some liner. So I got this eyeliner from my beauty supply store. This is the Ruby Kisses liquid eyeliner in the color black. This is what it looks like. And this has a bell tip, which I like. If you guys don't know what a bell tip is, this is like a bell tip. So it's flat in the beginning, and then as you go along, it gets skinny and pointy. So that's what a bell tip is. And I'm just gonna do a regular wing. So now that the black liner is done, I'm going to go in with my white liner from NYX. This is the NYX Professional Makeup White Liquid Liner in the color white. And this is what it looks like. But it's a brush, but it's very skinty. And with this, we are going to line the cut crease. So now we're gonna go back in with the eyes, and we're gonna do glitter now. I got this glitter eyeliner in the color silver, and this is from Eye Bling. And this is a liquid glitter liner. And I'm gonna go over the white. And the reason why I put white is to trace one, and two is to make it brighter, like make the liner brighter. For my inner corners, I like to use a fluffy brush. Whoa, what is that? Oh, the freaking tissue. Is the tissue. But I like to use a fluffy brush. I think this is, oh, this brush is from e.l.f. actually. It's a blending brush, that's what they called it. But this is the e.l.f. brush, and I really like this brush. I like to use it for my inner corners line. I'm going back with this, the Magic Mini by Juvia's. And I'm going to take this color. Yeah, I'm going to take this color, and I'm also going to take this color, and I'm going to mix it together, and I'm going to put it in my inner corners. I'm going to put the dark color first, the dark shimmer color first, and then the light shimmer color. Shimmer color. I'm going to take the dark shimmer color, and then the light shimmer color. There you go. Okay, and I'm gonna put it in my inner corners. I'm going to take a small brush. This brush, this is a BH Cosmetics brush, and the 11 brush. This small brush that I was supposed to use earlier, but I forgot to use, you know. And I'm gonna go back in with the Zulu palette from Juvia's Place, and I'm gonna take the purple and I'm gonna dust it underneath my eye. The lashes that I'm using today is from Kiss. I got this from the beauty supply as well. This is So Wispy in the style number 08. They're pretty long and flared out more, and they have space in between each other, so what I like. And I'm going to take a tweezer, and I use this glue. This is Super Hair Weaving Bond glue. Highlights, I'm going to be using this highlighter. I know this highlighter is from Clears, but I think they stopped selling it. I don't know if they still have it, but this is from Clears. I got it a very long time ago, and I'm using the BH Cosmetics brush, fan brush, and the number 3. And this is what it looks like. It's a skinny fan brush. I'm gonna blow some of the highlighter. And we're gonna highlight. This is cute. I wear this out because I like bold looks like this. But yeah, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy. This is my first video, and I'm excited. I'm really excited. So make sure you come back to see more tutorials and to experiment with me. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Come back, like, comment, subscribe.